This is my YouTube channel 3D Multimedia. This channel is about providing up-to-date information on FDP, webinars and free courses. It will be very useful for those who want to learn new technologies and update themselves. To get the notification about each course and information, then and there, do subscribe our channel and click on the bell button so that you come to know about more opportunities. Today I have come up with plenty of free courses from Udemy website, so I thought of sharing this particular courses with you. So the first course is Adobe Photoshop CC Basic Photoshop Training. It's a Creative Cloud 2020, and if anyone who doesn't have any prior knowledge in photo editing, you can join this course. It's a basic Photoshop training, and I have bought one more Photoshop training that is in master class, that is from basic to advanced. If you want to learn from basic to the advanced level, you can enroll for this course. In this course you will be learning about color image correction, about 3D effect, how to apply shadows, how to blend two images, how to retouch a particular skin, how to apply mask, and how to apply blur filter, and how to work with clipping mask. So you can enroll for this course. And let us go for the next course. And this course is for anyone who wants to learn how to apply mathematical formulas in a basic Excel sheet to advanced level. You can go for this course. And the next course is statistics with R, beginner level. So you will be learning the basic statistical analysis using R program. So if you're interested, you can go enroll for this course. And the next course is body language in the workspace. So after graduating from a particular college, and when you want to work in a particular company, then at that time you need some body language skills. So this course is focused for those persons who have completed their degree and they want to know more about how to work and how to manage the workplace. So you can go for this particular course. And the next course is particularly for Python learners, anyone who interested in learning Python, and by using the Python language, how can you create an AI assistant? This course is for you. And next one is advanced neural network in R. So you will be learning neural networks in R language. So you can enroll for this course. Next one is YouTube success for newbies. Anyone who is a beginner to a YouTube and he wants to upload, create a new channel, or regarding to know more information about the YouTube, this course is for you. So you can enroll for this course. This course is available for free in Udemy platform. You don't have to apply any coupon code. It's already available as free. But I wanted to share this because many of them, they were asking about web development. So this course is free in Udemy website. So this course is web design for web developers to build beautiful websites. It's already free, available in the Udemy platform. You can go for this course. And there's another course for web development. Anyone who doesn't want to program for a website, or he wants to use a template, then this course is for you. You can use WordPress templates to build quick websites. And there's one more course for Adobe Flash from scratch. If you want to learn a 2D animation from scratch, you can go for this course. Nowadays we are not using Adobe Flash, we are using Adobe Animate, but still you can enroll in this course and to learn basic animations. This course is for the beginners. And I have bought one more course for WordPress Basics for beginners. You can also check this course in the description. Okay, there's one more course to build a professional website using WordPress. It's a free, available in Udemy. You can enroll it. Android for beginners. So anyone who is interested for the app development, how to create an app or how to work in an Android studio, then this course is for you. It's for a beginner level. So you will be learning here about how can you build apps and those kind of things. So you can enroll now. You can click on enroll now to enroll for this course. And there's one more course for learning iOS programming to build a utility app. If you have a Mac PC and if you are very interested to learn iOS programming, then this particular course is for you. And So this course, Practical PHP, that is how do you master the basics and in the core dynamic website. So how do you embed a PHP into your website? So this course is for this anyone who wants to learn how to do those kind of PHP code with the website. Then this course is for you. You can enroll and you can learn this course. I'll provide all the courses links in the description. You can click on it and you can enroll. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. And I have given a link for joining the Telegram channel. Kindly join in my Telegram channel for the updates. Thank you.